Welcome one, welcome all. This is your friend, your host, Rahim, and I am back with my app, Gymrat. Super excited to showcase a lot of the features and enhancements, reskins, cache memory system that I updated, consolidating workouts under a single workout session. So happy with the progresses that I've made. This month has been absolute grind with bug fixing and just adding more and more features that I can think of to the app to make it universal and approachable for everyone. If you're liking this video, you have any thoughts, comments, or concerns, please feel free to share them with me on LinkedIn, on YouTube, or whatever channel you feel appropriate. And with that, let's go ahead and get started. So, I mentioned that the users can now go ahead and update notifications based off of their custom time. This feature allows for anyone based off of that allows users to be able to create their own custom notifications, whether they want to have it day or night, and gives them the flexibility and control of when they want to be notified. Please note though, in order for the notification system to work, you have to give permissions under your iOS or Android setting device. If you do not, the notifications will not work. You have to make sure you enable notifications under settings. And speaking of notifications, there's ours. So, as always, we have our beautiful home screen. Nothing much done here, just updated some bugs, enhancements over here. I'm going to quickly go ahead and jump to log workout. So, I've logged something for today. I've cleaned this up a little bit. Workouts are now stored under a single session for a specific day. Users can go back and edit that session or copy that session onto another day. And all of the progress is going to be saved under activity log. Activity log is going to be a summary of all of your workouts that you've done on previous days. And now these are collapsible banners that quickly showcase your notes, your tags, what workouts you've done, your sets, and then allows the users to go ahead and either edit their current set for that specific day or load that set onto a new day. So in this case, I'm going to edit my set over here because I'm still on Monday. Even though it's rest day and I did a lot of laying down on the bed, right? I'm going to say that I got rid of 2 reps and I only did 1. But over here, I added another system where users can go ahead and now edit their exercise. So just say, instead of laying down in bed, I'm going to laying down. And then I also added the ability for easier set adding. So when you add initially test, you can add multiple sets here. So like this, 110, right? This is a little cumbersome. Some people enjoy it this way. But the smart way of doing it, which is the way I prefer now, is having your previous set that was logged under the same activity. That's what the app remembers, and then you can just modify it however you want and then add it that way. Makes it super simple, super easy to use. And again, you can even go ahead, let's add some exclamation marks, and let's save this and see what that looks like. My workout session was now updated, and boom, as you can see here, the activity log now shows me in real time all the changes that were made. And again, you can do this for any day. You can also load existing days into a different week or existing workout into a different week. Makes it very user-friendly. The food log has been updated. I've given it a little bit of enhancements to make it look a little bit sleeker. The macro summary bar that was usually at the bottom is now in line with the rest of the tabs over here. And then I've made the pie chart a little bit smaller so it's easier to digest. No pun intended, but also allows, for user to get just an idea of what they're looking into. And then as always, we have our weeks in case users want to go ahead, skip back and forth in time. Profile section has been updated. Data controls are the same. Health and progress has been updated to actually enhance a little bit of UI UX to keep in line with the app itself. Notifications, users can now use this widget that I created, or they can go ahead and type in the time, select AM or PM, and then based off of that, they will go ahead and get notifications. But again, please note you need to have notifications enabled. And then with that, I have the message about Gymrat and the privacy policy. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like the reskin. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, feedback, suggestions, please feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn, or feel free to just leave me a comment, and I'll go ahead and get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Take care.